are the two types. One है किस non vascular और गोटे है vascular. तो plant kingdom divided by two non vascular. तो प्रथम आलोचना करबा है vascular टा. Vascular कौन? Plant have the tubes and carry the water from the food on the plants. Carry the water बहन करती by the food खाद्य पाई अन्य पाई water in the vascular जगह. In the carry the water tubes and that is the food into the plants. हाँ नहीं. Gymnosperm, angiosperm होची तार उदाहरण. Carry the plant have with the tubes type tube रकम थाई फांका स्थान थाई carry the water आउ जल को बहन करिता इन भास्कुलार थाई से आसला भास्कुलार प्लांट सब. तापरे दुई रहला नॉन भास्कुलार प्लांट सब किस नॉन भास्कुलार प्लांट होची that is the basics. There algae, liveworts and ferns and mosquitoes. Non-vascular plants. So vascular and the non-vascular plants. Online YouTube reference कर. तापर देखो डायग्रामेटिक्स इन साइक्लिंग प्रोसेस भास्कुलार एंड द नॉन भास्कुलार प्रोन का साइकिल प्रोसेस रे होउची मु से तुम ग्रुप रे छाडी देबी आ लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन रे दे देथिबी तुमे भलो के से लिखि नबो. एंड भास्कुलार प्लांट्स दैट इज द ग्रुप ऑफ द सेल्स एंड दैट इज द भास्कुलार प्लांट्स ग्रुप ऑफ द प्रोड्यूसिंग प्लांट इंक्लूडिंग टू द glandulars, those of the bearing to the vascular plants means by the naked seeds. Naked seeds मान की सो ताको मंजी गुडा को बाहर को मध्य बाहरी अस्ता. That is called a vascular plants. And ovaries to the seeds including to the ovary. And that is the first in the plant heavy the seeds. First of the plant heavy to the seeds. So that is the leaves and the lime threads of the mesospores and the mesospores. So a figure गुडा को मु छाडी देबी ग्रुप रे तुम लिंक रे डिस्क्रिप्शन दे देबी तुम से करि नबो. ओके ओके ता लिंक टा रखी था. The gymnosperm development of the either to be the surface. हम gymnosperm टा केमते हम डेवलप करि पारुची by the surface किछि हम आलोचना करिबा तापर एंजियोस्पर्म विषय रे पढिबा नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे. ओके gymnosperm is the developed into the either to be the surface levels of the line score. They not of the covering to the out of their seeds. Not of the coverings out of the seeds. They do not in process of the foliage. They do not process of the foliage. They do not process of the fruits. Do not process of the fruits. केबे फल प्रस्तुत करि पारे नाही से माने. The pollination of the wings केंती करंती रे wings पवन द्वारा pollination गोटे स्थान अन्य स्थान को हमरो polarize हेबे केमती हेबे रेणु द्वारा से भाग हेई जिवे उडी pollination of the wings produce the foods and the redwood and that is the one of the talent tree of the species. Roots are the generally tape of the roots. Some of the plants have been the fungal association in the from the mycorrhiza, while to the roots are called the wings and to fix into the area. Tapre unbranded to the or the leaves needs by the reduce surface of the hair to the stumps, reducing the loss adapt by the temperatures, reduced by the water and adapt by the temperatures. ताप लेखो gymnosperm likes observe the dominance of the life cycle से माने जीवन चक्र चलता ती रेणु गुडी को तांकर भासी कि जेते हमर लेली सिउली किछि गछ देख पतकिटे गछ बा थाई तांकर मंजी फंजी फूल फूल थाइनी जस्ट ता रेणु गुडी को भासी कि अन्य स्थान लागि जीवो आ पत्थर माटी सेगुडा करे से कोन हबो धीरे धीरे तार विस्तार हबो the phases of the relative sort of the atmospherics and that is the type of the mesospram microspram and that is the developed into the male gametes and the microspram is the different into the megasperms and the ovules the plant exists of the bare microspams is called a males to becoming to the burnings to called a female scoby and the female scoby तापरे हमें देखिबा angiosperm is the containing by the egg cell to synthesis there was just tubes polar fluids and formed to the diploid containing the nucleus the another make to the gains during to the pollens gain attached to segments and the gains germinates states and the forms the entering to the embryo in that is the embryo males and the discharging by the embryo males of discharging one male of the forms that is the eggs cell to the zygotes ताको हम किसे कहता हूँ रे zygotes कहता हूँ and the another male gametes in the fruits in the diploid send into the nucleus from to the triploid primary nucleus pen zygote टा सृष्टि होइतै fruits भितरे and the secondary to the nucleus from the pens the triploid examples are the nucleus of the pens and there were two types of the using to the occurs it is called a double fertilizations परीक्षा रे आसे what is double fertilizations double fertilization means होची there is the called double fertilization the zygotes develop in the embryo with the one or two cotyledons and the one pens develop into the enclosed the enroach of the provides at the develop to the cell detergents after to the fertilization after to the fertilization typical flowering the plant typical the flowering the plants typical flowering the plants गोटे सरीगला तुम विषयटा पूरा ओके धन्यवाद आ परवर्ती पर्यायर पिला माने विभिन्न प्रश्नर उत्तर आमे पढ़िबा जा सहित व्हाट इज द नोट्स अबाउट द इकोनॉमिकल इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ द algae ता विषय आमे पढ़ि परिबा आकाश एटा सब मस ऑलरेडी सब ही जो है ना समथिंग ये कॉलटा गोटे आसला कटि गला से डिस्टर्बेंस हे गला ना दोनों डिस्टर्ब ऑन करे की कॉल फोन था